In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase row height in Smartsheet quickly and easily. If you've ever worked on a sheet where the text looks cramped, cut off, or hard to read, adjusting the row height can make a huge difference in readability and presentation. The good news is that Smartsheet makes this simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go to the sheet where you want to increase the row height. Log into your Smartsheet account and open the specific sheet you'll be working on. Make sure you're inside the sheet itself and not just viewing a report or dashboard. Row height adjustments work directly within the sheet view. Once your sheet is open, the next thing you need to check is the view type. Smartsheet has different views like grid, Gantt, card, and calendar. To properly adjust row height for better text visibility, you'll want to switch to grid view. If you're not already in grid view, look at the top of your sheet and select grid from the view options. This ensures you can access the formatting settings needed to change how your rows display. Now that you're in grid view, look toward the toolbar area. You'll see a 3 dots menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu contains additional formatting and display settings for your sheet. After clicking the 3 dots, look for the option labeled Wrap. This is the key setting that allows your row height to expand automatically based on the amount of text inside each cell. Click on Wrap to enable it. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that rows with longer text automatically increase in height to display all the content instead of cutting it off in a single line. What's happening here is that Smartsheet is now wrapping the text within each cell instead of keeping it on one line. When text wraps to multiple lines, the row height expands to fit the content. This is especially useful if you're working with detailed task descriptions, notes, comments, or any column that contains longer text entries. If you want even more control, you can also manually adjust row height. To do that, move your cursor to the bottom border of a row number on the left side of the sheet. When your cursor changes to a resize icon, click and drag downward to manually increase the height of that specific row. This is helpful if you only want certain rows to be taller, rather than applying wrapping across the entire sheet. Keep in mind that enabling wrap applies to the sheet view, so if other collaborators are working in different views, their display settings might vary slightly. However, wrapping text is one of the most efficient ways to improve readability without manually resizing every single row. This small formatted adjustment can make your sheets look much cleaner and more professional, especially when sharing them with clients, team members, or stakeholders. Clear visibility of information reduces confusion and helps everyone stay aligned. And that's it. That's how you increase row height in Smartsheet using grid view and the wrap feature. It only takes a few clicks, but it can dramatically improve how your data is displayed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.